Okay, let's take a look at this question here. This is a good question because we have to make sure we do things in the right order. Now, to remember the correct order, we have a nice little acronym that we use, which is BEDMAS. Okay, so B is for brackets, so do things that are in brackets first. So you can see here is an example of something inside a bracket, which we'll have to do first. E is for exponents. We don't have any exponents in this question. D is for division. M is multiplication. A is for addition. S is for subtraction. Now, division and multiplication, we can sort of change the order. So I could multiply before dividing. And same with addition and subtraction. I could subtract before adding. But we usually just do things in order from left to right. So let's dive in and see what we can do with this question. Now, I have minus 16 in brackets. Now, I can actually get rid of those brackets. There's nothing in front of it, so I can just leave negative 16 like that. Minus. Now, these square brackets we need to figure out first before we do anything with the other numbers. So inside my square brackets, I have negative 8 divided by 2. Okay, now they have different signs. So when multiplying and dividing integers, if they have different signs, the answer is going to be negative. So negative 8 divided by 2 is going to be negative 4. Okay, so let's try and simplify this. We're going to have our negative 16. Now I'm subtracting negative 4. Right, that's what I'm doing here. I'm subtracting negative 4. Well, that's the same thing as adding positive 4. Okay, and then I'm going to add the 5. Okay, now you can go in order here, or you can do the 4 plus 5 first if you like. But let's just go in order. Negative 16 plus 4. I have more negatives, so my answer is going to be negative. How many more negatives do I have? Well, I have 12. Okay, and then the last step here, negative 12 plus 5. Do I have more negatives or more positives? I have more negatives. Okay, how many more negatives do I have? 7. So my answer is negative 7.